Right, so I'm trying to put this watch together. This is an Omega movement. This watch had a bit of an issue, and the issue was that the stem and the crown were faulty, so that it had no crown and the stem was removed. Sorry, was stuck. Right, so I needed to remove it, which that's why I opened the watch, remove the stem, and now I'm trying to put the watch together until I can find a replacement stem. Right, so let's try to do this carefully. This is a quartz movement, an old quartz movement, 1342 caliber. That worked. That worked. Alright. Now we're going to try to do it in. Now the second one. This is the second one now. Again, not an easy task at all. Just trying to put this in the right place. It's going to be way harder than expected. For a newbie like myself, of course. I'm sure this is easy work for any watchmaker, for any real watchmaker, but someone like me trying to learn. There you go. That seemed to work. Let's see if we can get it in now. It's a bit big. Let's try to make it smaller. Tight, straight to the same here. Try to make it very, very tight. That one first because that seemed to be an important one. So let's try that. screwed one in, 2 more to go. Not the easiest thing in the universe, neither the hardest, somewhere in between likely. It is difficult for me because I'm a newbie, but I suspect this is the kind of thing that you get good at by repetition. Like every other thing you get good at, right? Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Already better though than before when we couldn't even. Oh. I almost lost that one, but thankfully I didn't. So patience is a key to scrolling 100%. There you go. We got in. Now you can attempt to put this back into the right place. And yes, it looks as difficult. Sorry, it is as difficult as it looks, or more. But if you like it, you like it, right? What can I do? That one is a bit touchy one. It seems a bit big for the hole, but who knows? I might be doing something wrong there. I really don't know. Just learning by doing. There you go. Okay, so we're back in the game. Now what we need is to put the cover for the wheels, and then we can move to the next thing, right? So let's try to do that. This is always difficult, of course, because you need to match all the wheels under the cover, but thankfully Maya is a fantastic watchmaker, so they do these things extraordinarily well. You have to be super patient. You have to hope that things will fit in place eventually. That looks good to me. I'm gonna hold it and try to rotate something as I did and see what happens. Yeah, we're getting rotation, we should again. Let's do that. See if we can get that one in. I am getting better at screwing things. It is very hard for me to do it correctly the first try, but I seem to be getting a hook of how to do this. Good, we do not want to touch that orange thingy, at least I don't. So let's go again. Huh. 2 out of 2. First trial, that seems to be going a bit better. Let's try again. I think I'm reaching that point of the evening where I'm not particularly good at this. We're closer to have a, hopefully, a working watch again. We'll see. Okay, that was a bit more promising. It's moving. Ah, so close and so far. So close and so far. Let's try again. There you go. That is promising. Let's see if we can manage to put it in to screw it. This is what I would consider a difficult screw. It's just that the thread in the screw is not very deep. And though this seems to be the right size of screwdriver, I'm not getting a fantastic dip here, so it's not easy to screw. Well, like everything else, with a bit of patience and a bit of repetition, we can get it done. Trying a slightly larger screwdriver, seems to be working a bit better here. Yeah, not great screwing, but okay, that seems to be fine overall. That, let's use this to clean a bit, and then we have our movement, which is looking good. Let's go for the next bit, which is putting the battery. Right, so back at it, and now we just want to put the battery on and see if it's working and if it's clicking, and if it is, then we're good. We're not going to be able to solve the real problem of this one until we have gotten a replacement stem, so I'm gonna have to wait for that. So for now I'm just closing the watch, really working on the movement for a bit, and I'm gonna use it for a few more days without the stem and the crown, and then when I get the stem I'll do the stem and crown replacement. Right, so onto the battery then next. I guess that is the better angle for that. I'm gonna take this opportunity to replace the battery as well for a new one. I think the old one was working well, but I guess it won't hurt to have a new battery, right? It shouldn't anyway, it shouldn't hurt to get a new battery. So let's see how this works. Right, so I guess it's something like this. Oh, okay, I see what's happening here. This is meant to go there. Maybe this is not even the right battery, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Oh, the watch is working. Okay, so that works. That's good. I've made a mistake here, I think, because that hole over there, it's meant for this thing, right? So I need to take that out and find its right place, which we will soon find, hopefully, and put the right screw in there, which is going to be the screw for the battery. There you go. That's how now. Apologies, but it's super hard to screw without covering the camera. I'm trying my best to make this viewer friendly, but honestly it's not that easy. Alright, so let's put this over here. Maybe this one goes over there. I don't remember, I don't know. I'll try that. Actually, I think I found the right screw for that. Perhaps it's this one. Yeah, it looks good right there. Let's see if I can screw this on. Yeah, that's feeling good there. See if we can screw it on. Seems to be getting some leverage. See if we can get some strength in there. It's just not screwing. That ain't good. That ain't good. Right, okay. I guess I need to find where it goes. So let's just take it out. Definitely doesn't go there. Okay. Okay, what are our options? Let's deal with the battery first, I think. I think that's the smartest thing to do right now. So let's deal with the battery first. Let's try to remind ourselves how that looked like. Right, so after fiddling for quite some time, I managed to get that screw in, that little one. Super difficult. I cannot recall how many times I dropped it. Now I'm trying to screw this other screw in. Remarkably difficult, but with the hope that once I screw it in, the heart of this watch will start working again. And a bit of handheld required here to get to the right kind of location. I think that's it, to be honest. See what happens. Yeah, that's going in. That's exciting. It's taking me a while to get to a place where, oh, I see some movement there. I see some beating. I see beating, which is fantastic. So that means that we have a working watch. And let's just make sure we're laying it down. And we have one screw left here, which I don't know where it goes. My instinct tells me that it goes here because there's a big massive hole, but I've tried before, it doesn't seem to work. There's another one. There's another hole over there. I don't know if you managed to see it. Tiny hole over there. I'm gonna try this one first. If it doesn't make sense, I'll try the other one, but I'm super glad to see the heart, the watch beating, which means we have a working watch. That seems a bit too loose, but we'll see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. No, that's not the place where that goes. We do have a working watch still, which is fantastic. Let's try another place. It is scary to have an extra screw. Or is it just scary? Magnetism there is not helping very much. Honestly, not sure what to do with this. Let's have a look at the watch. It's ticking away, which is great. Everything seems to be in the right spot. We are just missing one screw, which we have left here. And I'm trying to figure out where it goes. I don't know. I do not know for real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's here. I'm gonna look for a video and try to figure out where the other screw goes. For the time being, happy with that, to be honest with you guys. We seem to have a working watch, which to me is a success. I just wonder where did this came from. I just don't know. Maybe some other screws here. I don't know. Let's try to screws again. No, it's too loose, right? So it cannot be that one. That's okay. Could be this one, perhaps. Could be. I think that's right, because these are all gold plated, so yeah, I don't know where this goes, to be honest with you guys. I just don't know. For the time being, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna store it together with other replacement parts for this watch. I have the crown. I have the old stem, which doesn't work anymore, which I'm trying to fix, and I have this additional screw which came out of the watch, but I don't know where it goes anymore. I will have a final look, see if I can find it, but otherwise I think this is us done. Before I close the watch, I will try to figure out where that one goes, but all in all, pretty happy with the result. We managed to open the watch, take the stem out take the stem out and put it back together, and it's working, so that is good. I'm missing a screw for sure over here. Next time I will record my my disassembly process, and then we'll be able to know where the screw came from. Right, so I think I did find the place where that missing screw goes. I think it's over there. As you can see, there's a little screw over here. Just watching another video of this movement, I found that screw that was missing, and I think this screw over here, which I'm taking off, it's the leftover screw, or should be the leftover screw. So let's have a look. And also, that wasn't working perfectly well, so that also gave it away a bit, and that could be the culprit. And I think it is. And I think it is, at least for now. It will be, because I don't know any better. Oh, I'm not sure that's difficult, that one. Super hard to put on. I think this is a bit magnetized. I do not have a demagnetizer, but I need to get one. Oh, it does want to disappear. It does want to get lost. I really don't want it to get lost, so hopefully I can do this eventually. That is promising. That is it is difficult. It is a difficult thing to do. I'm gonna try my different tweezers, because these ones are a bit magnetized. It is truly complicated, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Truly complicated. Patience is your biggest ally here. You should, in so far as possible, try to remain patient and do this as many times as you need to in order to get it in. Once you've got it in, it's a lot more likely that you'll be successful in finding a spot to put it on. I think I'm a bit out of place here, so I'm going to try again. Super difficult, guys, super difficult, but it's all about patience. It's all about the patience we need to have for this to work. That was in, that was ready. Okay, I think I figured out what we need to do. Just need a bit of support here. Just pull this down a bit, and hopefully I can. This is as tricky as it looks, guys. I think I've got it. Using my loop, figure all the difference. I think I've got it. There you go. Clock's ticking. Now we're good. Right, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you.